viewers, peace be upon you and welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to do Kriging Interpolation or how to do Kriging estimation in ArcGIS. For this you need a shapefile like that, and you have to add your data from this option. Okay, now you have to export your data. Now you have to open your Arc toolbox, then go to the special analysis tools, then click on interpolation, then click on here Kriging. Let me show you. First you have to click here on Arc toolbox, then click on special analysis tools, then click on interpolation, then click on Kriging. Then select this one, change the raster name. Okay, here you see the Kriging method, ordinary and universal. So ordinary is okay, and you can change the model as spherical, circular, exponential, Gaussian and linear. I'm keeping it spherical, then click on here OK, and the Kriging interpolation process is processing. Okay, our data is already interpolated. We click on properties and changing the color applied. Okay, this is our data which is interpolated, and here you see the values, these values, and the red color represents the values from 427 to 442. Here this one, and in this way you can interpolate your data by Kriging option. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.